My car was rocking.
He saw the power lines explode.
Limbs falling, flying.
Greensboro residents left to pick up the pieces when a tornado ripped through the city Sunday.
I got out of the car in all of that rain and everything and started walking. I looked up, I saw I had no roof.
Alva Gripper's home was demolished when the tornado crashed through her neighborhood.
There was no glass, the door was wide open. I just walked in, turned around, there were two firemen escorting me out. You gotta go now.
With trees falling down and only a remnant of what used to be a home, you can only imagine what people saw, what they heard, and how they feel after all of this destruction.
This house right here got the whole roof lifted off of it.
Lucas Flores is Gripper's neighbor and saw her house get destroyed.
It was loud, and within 30 seconds it was gone. And we came out and it was just like a war zone.
Something Grippers didn't think she would ever have to experience.
Whatever you see on TV with tornadoes at other locations, you can only think about how it is. When it's at your front door, it can't help but change it.
But through it all, Grippers is still finding the good in a twisted situation.
I feel like I done won the lottery or something because I'm still here to talk about it.